Hi. So if you want to actually have correct page numbering on all your documents in a Word assignment, so the trick to doing is this. So the first thing you want to do is, for example, say on a cover page. Right, so you want to go to Layout, Page Breaks, Next Page, and as you'll see, there's a difference between Section 1, Section 2. So that's basically the trick to this. You have to have section things off. That's half the trick at least. So let's say this is your index of your assignment, and you want to do the same thing. You want to go to there, next. Now it'll be section 3, 2, 1. Right, so the first thing you want to try and do is you want to go into the headers, and you want to unlink it. This means that these will work independently when the headers and pages are introduced to page numbers. So we're going to start with this one. So we're going to go here, insert, page numbers. Now for standardly you'd go like that, and you want to go there, right mouse click, that, start from. I'd recommend using eyes, generally indexes like that, and voila, that works. Now for down here, it's the same thing. Basically, you can go down here, insert page numbers, and I reckon this always looks nice. And you got the same problem here, so you go down here, right mouse click that field, and you click start from 1, and you officially have correct page numbering. This will always look on your assignments, and it works throughout perfectly fine. Thanks everyone for watching.